So today is lesson number 4. We're going to talk about the German pronouns. That's a word that replaces a noun. None of this is new. You have seen all of these pronouns. This is just to emphasize what they mean. So a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Something you can put the in front of. The teacher, the store, the notebook. It can also be St. Louis, Julie. You can have personal nouns there too. So the first pronoun is ich. In this case, it's ich koche. The mirror's there to show you talking about yourself, and that's what that person is doing. By the way, if you hear dogs barking, they're being obnoxious today. The next pronoun is du. If you're talking to one other person you know well. For example, du schwimmst. So here this little guy is talking to the person swimming. Du schwimmst. The next pronoun is er. If you're talking about one person and it's male. Er spielt Gitarre. And same thing, sie for a female. Sie fährt Fahrrad. She is riding bikes. And the last one we haven't talked about much. It means it. Es tanzt. So sometimes you'll use es for it. So just keep it in the back of your mind. It's not going to be a major one for right now. Okay, so those were all singular. You are all referring to one person on all of these. The next one we're going to talk about the plural pronouns. So the next one is wir. Wir singen. So there I am with the other people. We are singing. The next one you're talking to a group of people, so it's ihr. Ihr kocht. Y'all cook. The next one, if you're talking about more than one person, sie schreiben. They are writing. Gabi and Jens and whoever else they are. And the last one is if you're being formal and you're talking to an adult, you're saying, fahren Sie mit dem Bus, Herr Miles? Are you riding by bus, Mr. Miles? So here's a chart that kind of summarizes the pronouns. So if you are... Now we're going to come back to this tomorrow, but keep in mind the different verb endings. So ich takes e, du takes st, er, sie, es take t, wir takes en, ihr takes t, sie plural and formal take en. So tomorrow we're going to be pulling all of that together. Today there's another video, very short, 1 minute, that I want you to watch, and then you're going to play a quizzes game just for the pronouns. The endings aren't, it's just the meaning. Ich means I, er means he, and so on. And then you have a little bitty worksheet to do, which again is just on the pronouns, not even the verb endings. So tomorrow the focus will be the verb endings that go with this. Until then, tschüss.